South Africa. Fill in the blanks by choosing the most appropriate option. Equal treatment of women is a necessary ingredient of a day society. Non-democratic, monarchical, democratic, autocratic. Which of the following countries has half of its population living in poverty? Pakistan, Libya, Uzbekistan, Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Geography सब पढ़ियो मिनरल एनर्जी एग्रीकल्चर वाटर रिसोर्स फॉरेस्ट वाइल्ड लाइफ लाइन ऑफ नेशनल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री Forests of a region not only affect the ecology but also economy of the region. Which of the following statement define the economic benefits of a forest? Forest option A. Forest provide a wide range of final products for consumption. B. Forest produce fertile soil. C. Forest are a hub of activities such as animal husbandry, silviculture, etc. Forests purify the air and are called the lungs of the planet.
B.
Last option? No. Forest of a region not only affect the ecology but also the economy of the region. Forest को region टा खाली ecology को affect करने तार economy को भी affect करছে कोटा. Forests are a hub of activities such as silviculture, animal husbandry, etc. Animal husbandry माने animal का रहिले forest कौन हबो? Food, fuel, medicine, household equipment, building material, raw materials for industrial processing एवढा सब कौन ही जीवो? Decline ही जीवो. एनिमल हजबेंडरी और सिल्विकल्चर ये है रेस्पॉन्सिबल. नेक्स्ट, व्हाई डू यू नीड टू कंजर्व आवर फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ? ऑप्शन ए टू प्रिजर्व द इकोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी, टू प्रिजर्व द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन आवर डाइट्स, फॉर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ आवर वाटर साइकिल सो दैट वी आर एबल टू एक्सप्लॉइट प्लांट एंड एनिमल स्पीसीज.
ऑप्शन ए.
वेरी गुड. टू प्रिजर्व द इकोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी. Which of the following activities does not lead to the destruction of a fragile biodiversity? A option mining activities, B hunting and poaching, C forest fire, D afforestation. Good. Next, which of the following is another name for hangul? Asiatic elephant, Kashmiri star, lion-tailed macaque, loris. Kashmiri stars. Assassin, India has a rich biodiversity. Region is India lies in the tropical region. India has a rich biodiversity. Region is India lies in the tropical region. Good. What is JFM? Joint Forest Management. Which trees are worshipped by the Mundas and Santhals of the Chotanagpur Plateau? Mohua and Kadamba. Name any two states which have bulk of its forest area under protected forest.
Madhya Pradesh.
And any two?
छत्तीसगढ़
Haryana, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Madhya. Name a region in the country which has the bulk of its forest area under unclassed forest.
उड़ीसा वेस्ट बंगाल बिहार
Unclassed forest. Northeastern part of the country has the bulk of its forest under unclassed forest. Where does the Sabarmati basin lie? Maharashtra, Telangana, Gujarat, Karnataka.
गुजरात
Which of the following rulers built the tank of Hauj Khas Delhi? Akbar, Iltutmish, Raja Nahar Singh, Balbar. Iltutmish. What is the rank of India in terms of availability of water per person per annum? 133, 100, 143, 130. 133. Nearly 70% of fresh water occurs as this: river, ice sheet and glacier, clouds, groundwater. Which of the following is a negative externality associated with the construction of a dam? Dams helps in flood control. Dams are water reservoir and suppliers for industrial as well as domestic purpose. Dams can channelize the natural flow of water. Dams can impound rivers to irrigate the agricultural field. Option C. Dams can channelize the natural flow of water. Which place in India has an artificial lake to conserve water that dates back to 11th century? Very good. On which of the following rivers Koyana Dam is built? Krishna, Kaveri, Ganga, Mahanadi. Krishna. For what were goals? Reservoirs, artificial lake, diversion channels. Name the state or region where the practice of rooftop rainwater harvesting is on the decline. Western Rajasthan, Haryana, UP, Tamil Nadu. Western Rajasthan. Rooftop rainwater harvesting is on the decline. During whose reign were the dams, lakes and irrigation system built extensively? Kanishka, Chandragupta Maurya, Akbar, Balban. Very good. Which of the following remote backward villages in Mysore, Karnataka installed household rooftop rainwater harvesting system? Gendathur, Chilkunda, Kalahalli. Very good. Gendathur, a remote backward village in Mysore, Karnataka. Which of the following are not the causes of water scarcity? Growing population. Double I option is growing of water intensive crop. Triple I expansion of irrigation facilities. B individual wells and tube wells in farm. B water harvesting technique. VI industries. Double I rooftop harvesting system. Which options are correct? Not the causes of water scarcity. V double I. V option is water harvesting system. V double I rooftop harvesting system. Assertion: a dam is a barrier across flowing water that obstruct, directs or retard the flow of often creating a reservoir, lake or impoundment. Reason is Hirakud Dam is the longest earthen dam in the world. Again, repeat the question. Assertion is a dam is a barrier across flowing water that obstructs, directs or retards the flow, often creating a reservoir, lake or impoundment. Reason is Hirakud Dam is the longest earthen dam in the world.
B.
Option B. Both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Hirakud Dam is built on Mahanadi. Is the longest earthen dam. A dam is a barrier across flowing water that obstruct, directs or retards the flow. Flow को obstruct करिवो, flow करिया को दबने, अब सेठी गोटे कौन reservoir टे create कर दो, बा lake भलिया create कर दो. Assessment: the northeastern states of India practice rainwater harvesting. Reason is the water retention is quite low in the northeastern region of India.
A.
Good. Assessment is water is a renewable resource. Reason is fresh water is mainly obtained from surface runoff and ground water that is continually being renewed.
B.
A option. Assessment is groundwater table is declining in Maharashtra. Reason is water intensive crops are common in the state of Maharashtra.
A.
Very good. Assessment is Johad and Khadin are modern methods of water harvesting in India. Reason is Johad and Khadin are present in the western India, particularly in Rajasthan.
A.
D. Johad and Khadin are modern methods of water harvesting in India is wrong. Johad and Khadins are ancient or traditional method of water harvesting practice in the desert state of Rajasthan, not modern, the ancient. Name any two ancient hydraulic systems which existed in India. Bhopal Lake.
Chandragupta Maurya time.
Very good.
Srinagar.
Tank built by Iltutmish on how khas? What are the sources of fresh water in a tropical country like India?
Rainwater.
River, lake, groundwater. Fill in the blank by choosing the most appropriate options. Musk melon grows in dash. Rabi season, Kharif season, Zaid season. They are grown in both Zaid and Rabi. Zaid season.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following pulses do not help in restoring soil fertility? Moong, gram, harad, peas.
Hara.
No.
Yes.
Bubu is correct. Peas no. Coffee cultivation was first introduced in this Himalayas, Aravalli Hills, Garo Hills, Baba Budan Hills.
Aravali.
Which option?
Aravali.
Sanu.
Aravali.
Barabar.
Aravali.
Baba Budan Hill, Garo Hills, Aravalli Hills, Himalayas.
Aravali.
Baba Budan Hills में what percentage of our cropped area is covered by oil seeds? 21%, 12%, 40%, 2%.
12%.
12%. If rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, in which state is it a subsistence crop?
West Bengal.
Odisha, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, UP. Odisha, very good. From which of the following countries was the Arabica variety of coffee initially brought to India? Yemen, Nepal, Britain, China.
China.
Yemen. Raji has high nutritional value and is rich in gas, iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, phosphate. Iron, calcium. The state of gas is a major producer of jute. Maharashtra, Madhya, West Bengal, West Bengal. Which group of crops can be classified under the classification of millets? Maize and wheat, groundnut, urad and arad, bajra and ragi.
Maize and Bajra.
Bajra and
Bajra.
Which of the following is a rabi crop? Gram, cotton, millets, rice. Rabi, gram. Which of the following right leads to the division of land among upcoming generations in India? Option A, the right to property, the right of inheritance, the right of successor, None of these.
Right of inheritance.
Very good. The right of inheritance. Which of the following is an age-old economic activity in our country? Mining, agriculture, sericulture, all of these.
Agriculture.
Very good. The slash and burn agriculture is known as milpa in which country? Mexico, Vietnam, Indonesia, Brazil.
Brazil.
Mexico. Which of the following is a leguminous crop? Jowar, pulses, millets, simum. Pulses, very good. Arrange the following in the correct sequence. Sugar, transport, grocery item, sugar cane. Sequentially arrange करो. First आशो के
Sugar cane.
sugar cane, then sugar cane
Industry.
transport.
Transport. Beverage.
Industry.
Industry. Beverage. Sugar.
Sugar cane to sugar.
No.
तापरे transport.
Transport.
कोटी की जीव grocery item. Sugar cane to sugar produce होगा तापरे से sugar टा transport करके जीव grocery. Raghu was an Indian farmer during the 1950s. Which of the following institutional reform would he have witnessed in the 1950s? Abolition of the Zamindari system, establishment of the Grameen banks, Kisan credit card KCC being launched, package technology being used only in agriculture.
KCC launched.
No, question again. Raghu was an Indian farmer during the 1950s. Which of the following institutional reforms would he have witnessed in the 1950s? या भितर को institutional reform सेतबेले हेइतला? Abolition of the Zamindari system. Which among the following crops takes almost a year to grow? Sugar cane, wheat, watermelon, rice.
Wheat. Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. Wheat crop is a kharif crop in north and rabi crop in South India. Which crop is a kharif crop in north? No. And rabi crop in South India?
Rice. Gram.
No. Yes, right.
Sir.
Yes, Raramukal.
Sugar.
No.
Soybean.
Paduna Kutalo. Wheat is grown in which crop season? Rabi or Kharif?
Kharif.
Define the Green Revolution.
Green Revolution is known as wheat revolution.
Introduction of HOV seeds.
The process of increasing agricultural production by incorporating modern tools and techniques. Define white revolution. The movement which led to the dairy development movement by the government of India. Name any two schemes introduced by the government of India for the benefit of the farmers. KCC or CIS. Personal accident insurance. What soil is perfect for the growth of a cashew nut? Laterite. Good. Which of the following is a soft mineral? Talc, diamond, bauxite, iron. Talc. A dash is interested in the formation of minerals, their age and physical and chemical composition. Geographer, geologist, oceanologist, environmentalist. Geologist. Which of the following is a non-metallic mineral? Copper, mica, manganese, tin. Which one of the following state is the largest producer of copper in India? Odisha, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat.
Karnataka.
Rajasthan.